Replicating a campaign in Mailchimp allows you to create a copy of an existing campaign, making it easier to reuse content or design. Here's how to do it. Log into Mailchimp. Visit Mailchimp's website and log into your account. Navigate to Campaigns. Click on the Campaigns tab from the dashboard. This section shows all your past and current campaigns. Find a campaign to replicate. Locate the campaign you want to copy. You can use the search bar or filter options to find it if necessary. Open the campaign. Click on the campaign name to open its details. Replicate the campaign. From the campaign summary page, click the Replicate button. This creates a duplicate of the campaign, including its content, design, and settings. Edit the replicated campaign. The replicated campaign will appear in your campaign list with a new name. Open it to make any necessary edits, such as updating text, images, or recipient lists. Send or schedule. After making adjustments, proceed to send or schedule the campaign as needed. Review and confirm. Review all changes and confirm the sending details before finalizing.